Hello, YouTube. Welcome to HTS. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. And on this video right here, I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of solo ads. Now, if some of you don't know what solo ads are, they're a fast way to grow your email list. Sometimes you make sales, sometimes you don't. Um, there's a persuasion tactic strategies that I want to be talking about in this video. So stay till the end of this video. And if this is your first time here, I do a lot of things online, solo ads, different sources of traffic, free ads, paid ads, whichever you want. I got a lot of videos that you could watch at the end of this video. So let me get to the point here. I want to show you where you could get solo ads from and questions you should be asking these people. So I came over here to Udemy, and just for an example, I clicked on Stephen Walters here. Here's my profile, and if you want to get you $5 off one of these vendors, I will have the link in the description below. Also, leave comments. Leave comments. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Put a thumbs down if you don't like it. I respect your decision. So leave comments below. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna kind of just browse through who's selling. There's a few things to look out for. You want to see a high percentage rate if they're making sales or not, because you have to ask these men and women if how saturated is their list, how many times. And some people don't like it when you ask them this. And if they start getting frustrated with you asking too many questions, probably not the person to go with, because it's happened to me before. And also, I just for my experience, for any of you out there, I have bought traffic from Fiverr. I would not recommend it. I'd rather go through somebody on here. And when you go to somebody through here, let's look at this guy for example. He has 32% of sales. You always want to do your due diligence on everybody. Even message them, ask them those questions. Uh, how many times does he run traffic through his or her list? Uh, there's no guarantees on sales. That's one thing you got to understand. You got to build a relationship with the list as they opt into your offer. And always start off, 200 to 300 clicks. You're going to be spending depending on how much they charge. You put your link in there. You could also put a tracker on your link, something like ClickMagick or Clicker or something. And so you could make sure you're not getting any bots. And if you are getting bots, send them a message. Tell them I'm getting a few bots that actually, if you could help me on this, let them know. But you could get top tier countries, Prime, Prime filters, and this price is going to go up. But you got to remember, you're filtering and you're getting top tier. So you could also go here if you don't want no mobile. Some offer this, some don't. You can tell them you don't want no mobile, because sometimes the human attention mind, it's people look at their phone real quick. They got stuff to do. They're probably driving. So you could click no mobile if you like. And here's another place right here, Solo Ads X and .com, actually, soloadsx.com. Now, there's another thing to look out for. So when you uh if they have a website, it's always good for somebody to have a a video like me down here. I have a video talking to you about solo ads. So if it'd be great if they have a video, some don't, but it's something to look out for, because it kind of lets them know that they're a real person. They're working with you. They're not gonna grab your link, give it to somebody else. They're working directly with you, and it's a trust thing. So I've gotten traffic from this guy before. I had a lot of conversions. I think I had a few sales. I can't remember. It's been a while, and but see, there's a few other guys on here that I have had that helped me build up my list. And so when you build up your list, a lot of people think I got a big email list and automatically they think they're going to get sales. Maybe you might need a course on copywriting, persuasion, building a relationship with your list, because if you go in there and always try to promote your list, they might see you as a spammy person. You don't care about uh, building any kind of relationship with them. You're not letting them into your world too much. So let's say you're traveling, send them an email. Hey, I'm over here doing this. I just wanted to show you this picture. Thank you for being on my list. I made a video for you or something. You have to get it. You have to invite them into your world as well. And by just promoting, it's not going to work too well. Sometimes when you're starting out, you kind of learn things the hard way, and it hurts you more than builds you up. So these are two places. Let me show you another person here, because I mean, there's a lot of vendors, but there's also, you're doing business with them, and sometimes I know how it is to hurry up and like you built you a sales funnel, you built and you're quick. You want to get traffic to it. SEO might take too long. Running an ad campaign it might take too long. Solo ads are fast. They go right to the person's inbox, and it's a quick opt-in. It's a quick way to build your list. And when you're in a hurry like that, sometimes you just right away you go in here and you see that somebody in here has this, for an example. Let me use this guy right here. He runs T1 premium traffic, gets access to up to buyers that guarantee me sales daily, fresh leads added daily, fast delivery. Okay, so let's say you click on him real quick. You're in a hurry. Next thing you know, you come down here and you do 250 clicks, and then you don't get any sales. But you paid this person. You didn't ask them any questions. You didn't ask them if your page. It's always good to send your page to them to see if it resonates with their list, and also ask them, do you have time to run a campaign for me? Because you want to make sure they have time. Remember, this is business. It's not like they're doing you a favor. Um, you're doing business. You're paying them for a service. So while you're promoting what you want to promote, you're out there. This is like putting money to work for you, so you don't have to work for it. But at the same time, you want some ROI on the page you built, the product you're promoting. Sometimes maybe the product you're promoting is really saturated. Um, a lot of things can happen. A lot of things can happen out there. Since this whole pandemic, a lot of people are turning to the internet, and sometimes a person's list might get saturated. So here's a little bit more about this person. I know I'm talking a lot, but I want to let you guys know out there that sometimes solo ads could kind of hurt your pockets, especially if you're not getting any opt-ins and you get the report saying that they sent you the clicker, or you use your own click tracker, and you come to find out that you didn't get any opt-ins, but you just paid this person for a test run, 50, $60, $100, maybe even 200, and now you're out when you could have put that into like Facebook ads, or you could have had more of you could have put it into a YouTube ad or something like that. So you have to think about this before you just act, is what I'm saying. Because when you just act, you could hurt yourself, you could hurt your pockets, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. It's happened to me before, so I'm kind of teaching you right here off my experience alone, and I don't want that to happen to nobody. So always do your due diligence on somebody, on him, on her. Ask those questions. If they seem to get bothered by any of your questions, including these, anybody you see that you contact them directly. So all you do is hit the button down here if it lets me, and if it doesn't let you, that's not good. So let me open this up real quick because it's not letting me. Okay, hold on. See, So let's say go right here to get traffic now. Okay, let's see if it lets me now. Now it's going to let me. So if I'm going to ask this guy a question, I'm going to click on his. I'm going to click on his profile here, and I'm going to get if I'm going to give this man my money to run a solo ad, I want to make sure he's okay with my product. Either the product I'm promoting, the link I'm promoting, the landing page. I want to make sure this guy is that he can do that, and he has a good reputation. He was on this other website that I just showed you, making a lot of sales. I kind of watched his video already, but still, I want to ask him those questions. I want to make sure he's not too busy. I want to make sure he just don't throw my link into the wrong email list that he has. I want to make sure that I'm doing business with somebody solid. And yeah, so I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'm going to be making some more videos here in a little bit. I'm going to have another video coming out soon. Do you think you should be documenting your journey? You're going to be watching that here pretty soon. It's going to be coming out probably my next video here. I got a lot of things that I've learned that I'm sharing with you, and you get it for free. So watch that next video coming up. Thank you very much. You all be safe out there, and feel free to leave comments, share this video, whatever you want to do. Bye.